Hi everybody, welcome to John Creator. Today we are going to model a old Nokia mobile phone. So this is the demo tutorial, and in this I'm going to guide how to do the everything complete. So we are trying to make it 100% accuracy in the design. So it take the long video because we are concentrating in 100% design. And if you are very new to this channel, subscribe my channel. And if you are new to the Blender, see my old videos for the beginners. Press Shift A. So not required, Shift A. Yeah, Shift A is required. Then press one on the period key, press Shift A and add a image reference, and I add Nokia phone, what is the design which is required for me, and I press G to move in Y axis, sorry, X axis, and I am going to move like this. The same way I am going to give it in backside here. What I am going to do is we are going to do some settings for this. Go to this option, select backside is only front is required, backside for is not required. Make it like this. Okay, now front it's available, backside it's not available. Okay, this is the thing only for us it's required. Press Ctrl 1 and press Shift D, right click to cancel and select front and back. Now G X to move and move like this. So almost it has same came for us. Now in top view, press Shift A and add a reference image, add a top, and I'm going to scale it down. Okay, almost matched, I hope so. Scale slightly down. Okay, we are going to model as per this designs. So for us, okay, front and back, or back and front. Top view is not coming. Okay, I give it as both for timing. No, I am hunting this orthographic view. Okay, fine. So it's looking fine here. So let's see and design the same shape here. And after doing this, go to the Ctrl 7 for the bottom and Shift A and add a one more reference, which is the bottom reference. The same way we are going to do. Scale it down, scale it down, or this one we can make it as one more reference to use it. I will tell you what to do in that. Press one on the keyboards, go to the front menu, and we are going to do the work capacity. We are going to give less. I am going to reduce, even though the back side, select that and reduce it, this two, and reduce it. Okay, after doing it, select all everything, press M on the keyboard. This is the Blender 2.9, and select a new collection and make it reference image or EF, the short form I'm here to indicate. And using this I'm going to log this. Rendering it's not required, and here we can able to see I open a one more filter, which is a selection. Here I am going to unselect it. So now this is not been editable, so not be selected, so we can able to design easily. Press 1 on the keyboard, press Shift A and create a cube, scale it. So I got the Wi-Fi, scale it like this till here. So I can turn on the X-ray mode So here is the, I go for the again solid view. Here you can select and that is the capacity. Okay, okay, this is working well, but it's not coming in another side. So I go for the front. Okay, fine, I do one thing, I just go to edit mode and see, no, it's not coming. So I do one thing, I just reset it geometry. Okay, we can do it like this, I will guide you, it will be very easy. Okay, after creating the cube, I go to the top view and scale it in y axis in this shape. Okay, go to edit mode, select this and GY and move like this here. Go to the object mode. Now go to the front, go to edit mode and in wireframe select all thing and GZ and move up to here. Select the bottom GZ. After doing this, press Ctrl A in the object mode and apply a scale transform and go to edit mode and create a new edge loop here. Instead of creating one, I am going to make it multiple, or we can do, I think this is the better way, select everything, right click, make a subdivide, right click, make a subdivide, right click and make a subdivide. So here you can able to see it's not clearly even, it's created. Okay, I do one thing, I create a one edge loop here. Now I select all and right click, add a subdivide. Yeah, now looks better way it's coming. Okay, now I go to the wireframe mode in front view. I in edit mode, I select everything and scale it in x-axis. Select this, scale it in x-axis, or better we are going to do the beveling work here. So before doing this, it's a better way to create a beveling first, so it will be very easy. So all the shape, all side the lids looks this shape, this corner is smooth. So first in edge selection mode, I am going to select these edges, go to the top view and Control B to bevel, and I am going to make like this design shape. I create one more shape here. So we are going to make the cover is off of bottom. Okay, so I create it like this, so I reduce it. Okay, I keep it like this, it will be better. I make it up to here. This is the back side one shape we are going to do, and here I am going to open a image. This one I am going to give it as image editor, image, and open a image. So I just make it as bottom. So bottom it's like this, it's there, so we have to concentrate on that. And here we can able to see only in top it gives the shape, in bottom it's totally different, in backside also it's totally different. So we have to make first in top shape. Okay, even this also we can make it. I select this edge and this edge. I go to the wireframe mode and select this, select this, select this, select this, and select this. Go to the top view in wireframe, press Ctrl B to bevel. Okay, just undo it. So I have got one more idea. Control Shift 1 and select this and press V and move it separately. So now this piece is a separate piece. Now go to the solid view and now select this. Press Ctrl B to bevel. Go to the top view in wireframe. Ctrl B to bevel. Reduce it like this. So it will be coming like this shape. Okay. Or we can do one thing. Select the bottom also and go to the top view and Ctrl B to bevel. Okay, now this shape we have made. So we are going to design further here. Ctrl 3 to apply, and the front shape it has came perfect, but it's not came as it is required for us. So we can do it like this, adding some ledge loops. Okay, now when we go to this thing and opacity I give 1. Okay, first shape for us it's finished. I go to the front view and go to the thing. I do one thing. I select this and press Ctrl L in wireframe I show you, and I go for Ctrl I and X to delete the vertices. So I am deleted. So because that bottom we can edit separately, that is easy. So we have to make as per the requirement. The material is made the separate. So that is very easy to make a model as per our requirement. Now I go to the front view and wireframe. Go to edit mode and 1 on the keyboard for the vertex selection, and I go to the modifier and turn off the subdivision, and now scale it in x-axis slightly inside. Select this, scale it in Z0 and scale it in x-axis slightly inside, and create the 2 edge loops here. Scale it in x-axis and move it like this. And I create two edge loops here. Scale it in x-axis. Scale it in Z0. Sorry, I make it separate. That is better. I created 2 here and Alt key. Scale it in Z0 and select this. Scale it in Z0. Now select this and scale it in x-axis like this. Select this, scale it in x-axis, and select this, scale it in x-axis, and GZ to move. Create 2 edge loops here. Select this one and GZ to move like this. This one GZ to move like this, and GN move like this. Let it be in bottom itself. GZ to move. Now in this we have to make this shape, this design. So what I am going to do is, in this case, create one more edge loops here. Select this and G to move, G to move here, and G to move here. Select these two, G to move here. So I mean, make it sure you are in front view. Okay, so that will be better. G to move here. So this will be better, I feel. Okay, now I move this here, I move this here. Okay, this one I'm going to make it as double G to make it here. Select this and G to move here. Okay, G moved in x-axis, so that is a better. G moved in x-axis. In axis, if we move, it will be very easy to move. Gx, 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 G and move here. Gz, Z and move here. Gz, G and move here. Okay, this will be better. Yeah. And this one we can make it like this corner. So let's see how it looks in 3D view. Yeah, almost the shape came. Actually, the design which is coming inside it doesn't look like the same, right? So for this, what I'm going to do is go to the front view, press Shift D and go to the face selection in wireframe. Select these faces using a circle select. So go on, see it in front view. Okay, only this is having still issues. I can move it. Gx to move. Okay, again I go to the shape and press C and using the circle select I'm going to in face selection C circle select I'm going to select these everything and press P to make a selection. So now it has been separated. I hide this. Now we can see the shape how it has been came. And wireframe, go to the front view. So we have to make this curve edge. So for that, oops, I mistook this too. P by selection and go to tab mode, select this and hide this. So that one we have to add it again. So now what I am going to do is to give the shape of that exactly what is required for us. Now go to edit mode. The shape you can see how it looks. It having some shared flat shape, right? Go to edit mode and select this one, this edges using edge selection. Here we are having some slightly little problem, right? So I'm going to select this X to delete the edges, X to dissolve the edges. Now it looks better. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select these two and X to dissolve the edges, select these two and X to dissolve the edges, and now we can see we are having some good shape here, and we are going to do add something here newly. Press Ctrl R and okay, here you can able to see it's not look like. Okay, fine. Go to edge selection, select everything, E to extrude and S to scale slightly inside, and now we can able to see some shape has been arrived. And go to edit mode, select this, Alt S to scale it slightly outside. Now you can able to see some edge has been created here, but here it has came more that we have to solve that. So to do that we have to do manually. So in edge selection, sorry, in vertices, let's select this, double G to move. Now we can see how it comes. No, select this, double G to move slightly out. Select this, double G to move slightly out. Okay, now it looks better. Select this, and G to move here, G to move here. Yeah, now it looks better. So after doing this, we have got get some good shape here, but here you can able to see it has one cool corner here. Select this, and I'm going to create like this two edges to bring that shape. So before that, it doesn't came correctly for us. That is exactly. I do one thing here, and here I create one edge loop. Go to front view, and I'm going to delete all the vertices one side, and I'm going to do the mirroring for this. And I drag it up. Okay, it has been came. Go to the front view and go to the object and see how it looks. And don't forget to do the clipping. Select this in wireframe mode, GX to move. Now looks better. Yeah, here everything is fine. And what I'm going to do it for here, so because it's having some not look required space, so I make it like this. So now looks better compared to that. Yeah, some curve we got, and we have to delete some edges. Okay, as per the shape we are doing, so because it's look like small, here we have to do some changes 100% in bottom. So that what I'm going to do is, in vertices select, E to extrude, cancel, Alt S, not Alt S, GX, sorry, Y, move towards inside, E to extrude and move towards inside. So now this shape comes what we expected. It's almost match the same. So now our one front cover has been ready for us. So I'm going to give the same color. Go to the material and new material. This is going to make it as front cover matte, and I'm going to select that, pick up the color easily by picking up the eye color. Wow. Now go to the better preview. But still it's not came the same because it's having some glossy and plastic look. So actually we used to give diffuse color, right? That's the plastic. So I'm going to give reduce some roughness. Okay, and right click and shade smooth. So now our top cover has been ready. And here you can able to see it's not came perfect, I feel like. Can able to see this shape. So I'm going to ready that now too. Now go to the solid view and go to edit mode. Here you can able to see something is discontinued here. So what to do, how to solve this, right? Select these. Before that you can go here and turn on the auto smooth. So select this and these two, right click and subdivide it in vertices. Select GX to move, and before that turn on the vertices G X to move and use a control key, and I am going to remove this X, dissolve the vertices, select this and join. Oh, sorry. Now we are going to create a one lookup here, and we have to make a box type. Always know it should come in box type, so the where it looks the material perfect. And create one edge loops here, select this and press join, select this and press join, select this and press join, press 2 on the keyboard. This selection X, dissolve the edges, press Ctrl R. Here it's not creating, so what we have to do means Ctrl R, G in Y axis, sorry X axis, use this, and double G to move here, and this one, select this, double G to move here, press 1 on the keyboard and select this, press join. So now we have created one exact frame which is required for us. So select these two, subdivide, select this and select this, press join. Okay, it's not came perfect, so what I am going to do is double G to move, so I press 1 R here, select this and join, I select this and join, and select everything, press M and merge by distance, so if it's any double vertices is there, it will come, it will be clear. So now this looks better, but still here we are facing some issues. So what I am going to do is select everything, select this and X to dissolve the edges. Now let me see how it looks. Go to the top view. Yeah, it looks in better way. So here we have to create one edge loop, so it looks better. Select this, press Ctrl V to bevel, make the shape like this. So before that, select this and double G to move and move like this. Select this, press Ctrl B and make a curve shape like this. Not look bad, not look good. And select this and G to move. Okay. Yeah, looks better here. Yeah, almost fine, it looks better. Okay, now our top cover has been ready. I save it. Now I save the file. Yeah, okay. Nokia 1100. Now I just make a backup for this Shift B, sorry, Control Shift yes, and make it as backup BKB1, and I save it. So now we are having some old backups there. Okay, right, now this box has been ready. You can able to see we have hidden some items before. Now select these two and press Ctrl J to join. Go to edit mode, go to the front view, select everything and M merge by distance. Now you can able to see that shape has been ready. Okay, now let me concentrate in further designs. So now what it's coming in solid, almost match the cover, so we have to see correctly before doing that. Now scale it in x-axis, so y-axis and GZ to move in this axis. Now we are going to make a separate shape for this. Now we can make a separate part for this. This keyboard is separate and that glass is separate and the top one is separate, so that is the good way to do it. I do one thing. Go to the solid mode and press circle select and press 3 on the 3 on the face select and use a circle select. This one what you have selected is wrong, so what you have to do is unselect it. Now you can see, yeah, it's fine. Press V2. Okay, it's not happened generally. And now you can able to press P for selection. So now it has been separated. Now select the other thing. Now now this has been separated. Now these need to be separated, these items. In face mode, select using a circle select and press P and selection. Now this is already separated. Now go to the solid view. Now one by one we can read it. So I turn off this. Finally now timing, I hide it. Go to the front view and go to the edit mode. Now what we can do this for this shape. So you need to come till down, go to the edge selection and double G to move in Z axis and create 2 edge loops here to make a shape. Double G to move and create a 1 edge loops here. Create 1 edge loops here. Create 1 edge loops here to make the shape better. Now make it in middle and G to move and G to move and G to move and G to move. Okay, now this one select and double G to move and create 1 edge loop here, and let me see how it came. Not good. So better way to do it is make the shape perfect. Okay, I got one idea how to do that. I'm going to delete this one and use your shift right click to make a 3D cursor there and press shift A and create a one plane, rotate in 90° in X axis and scale it down this way and scale it in X axis. No, instead of that, okay, now press shift A and apply a scale. Shift A, yeah, no, control shift A, control shift A, no, control shift S, no, alt shift A. Now actually I missed out. Go to the modifier, apply control A and apply a scale. Oops, I said control A and apply a scale. Now go to the edit mode and G to move and move like this. Zoom it in. Now we are going to do this like this, G and use the control key and you can move like this. It's a better way to do the design. And G to move. Now G to move here like this way, because we are going to create one more thing. So I select this and E to extrude and select this and G to move like this, G to move like this. You can move G Z axis like this better GZ and R. I can move like this, and G, use a control key, and GX, use a control key, and you can move like this. So I press control 3 to apply a scale, and go to the modifier and turn off this. Select this and E to extrude in X axis, scale it in X0, and make a mirror, make a coupling, move like this, GX to move and merge it. Now we have to make one different shape here. So this one, select these two and GZ using here, and create one edge loop here, and G to move like this. Now we can see how it comes. Still it's not merged. We have given the clipping, still we have not mirrored like this. Okay, fine. Now GX, it has been merged. Now select this, scale it in Z axis 0, and GZ to move like this, and E to extrude in Z axis, and scale it in X axis still here, and create one edge loop, scale is in Z axis, slightly inside. Now okay, we have missed one thing. We have used the control key and it has taken the behind items, so that's the reason all the items has came like this. Even this also. Scale it in Y axis 0, top view, shift Z and GY using this control. Okay, now the shape looks like this. So what we expected, it came. Okay, almost we have covered the shape. Now here you can able to see in bottom it looks very sharp. So for that I am going to select, instead of selecting everything, I am going to select the edges, this edge to E to extrude circle select, I make it close, and this one is vented to, I go to box select, G to move. Okay, E to extrude and move it in Y axis, and create a one corner cut here. Now the shape looks as we expected, but here you can able to see it's not came perfect because of the edges loops is not came correct. Now we can able to see we have got some shape, and here I go to the wireframe and turn off this subdivision inside. It's already off. Okay, I hide this for timing. Here right click and shade smooth. Due to this item it doesn't came perfect. Double G to move here. Now better look. Go to the front view and alt hash to unhide, and I just hide these two now also, because still we have not completed this design. Okay, fine. It's look better, I feel, than on the auto smooth. Go to the front view, and here you can able to see the corner has came little flattened outside in top, right? So we have missed out in first season too. Okay, fine, we can see how we can do that later. First we can complete one by one the shape. Everything is perfect. Okay. Now we have to make these 2 3 holes here. So to do that, go to the wireframe. Okay, solid view. So we can think how to do that. Create one edge loops here. Create one edge loop here. Create one edge loop here. And create one edge loop here. Create one edge loop here. Select this and double G to move like this. Now go to the face selection. Select these face and X to delete the face. Now we can able to see the hole has been came for us. Now this one is required for us. It's little black. So I select these edges and E to extrude in y-axis. Actually I missed out or something, I think so. Yeah, E to G and Y to extrude in y-axis. Oh, it looks very terrible, and so I make it small thing. Now we can see how it looks. It looks very nice. The punches hole is fine. So now we have made the top one, but here you can able to see something is going a little bit inside. To solve that issues, I create one edge loop here. Now you can able to see the shape is perfect. So I'm going to do the same for everything. Okay, now it looks cool and perfect here. So one has been ready. Now we can make it the next thing. Go to the front view, Alt H to unhide everything, and select this one. Okay, the recording is going 45 minutes. Fine. Okay, let me see in the next video that is better. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe my channel, and you get the new videos and designs. Bye bye.